Okay. Aftab bro, good evening. Okay, you are in mute actually. You are speaking, but you are in mute. Yeah. Good evening. Good evening. Ganesh bro, are you able to listen to me? Ganesh bro?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you turn on your
Yes,
video?
sir.
Can, if your network is okay, please turn on your video. And I request Om bro, Om 1117 Om we have here. I request you please unmute once.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. And if your network permits, please turn on your video. We have Pavani. Pavani, please speak. Okay. And Rocky. Rocky here with us. Rocky, please speak. Please listen to me. This is an activity session. If you are not able to listen to me, so this session would not be good actually. So that's the reason I'm disturbing everyone. Just I want to talk to you. So Om bro, you didn't respond. So please unmute and speak once.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, is it Rocky?
No, it's Ashu actually.
Ashu, okay. It is okay.
Okay, thank God.
Ashu, okay. I'm stopping screen sharing. Please unmute yourself, Aftam bro. And Pradeep Bhaiya, I have given you co-host. You can also mute and unmute. You can also have some privileges. And okay, I request each and everyone, please turn on your video. Please turn on because this is not at all a confidential one. And already we have announced that your videos should be turned on. So this is not an unplanned meeting. This is a planned meeting. So that please turn on your videos. Ganesh Pro, Pavani, Prashant, Rocky, Vikas. So these and Om Bro. Yeah. And
Just
Om Bro.
1 minute, sir. I am opening my video. Just 1 minute.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Okay, no issue. And just I want to talk to Om bro, Om, because I'm keep on calling you, but you are not at all responding me. And even Ganesh, okay. And Vikas bro, okay. Vikas bro, please turn on your video. And we have only one female participant. She's Pavani. Pavani, are you able to listen to me? Pavani,
Sir.
Pavani.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, are you able to listen
Yes,
to
sir.
me? Will you participate in our
Yes,
session
sir.
today? Okay. Okay. You have to turn on your video, Pavani. That is a rule actually. And
Sir, I have some network issues, sir, here. So
yeah,
while speaking, I'll turn my audio, my video.
whenever you get turn of speaking, definitely you should turn on your video so that you can have a great ambience, so that you can have like a professional meeting. Like okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank
And even she is also ready to turn on her video, and many people are not ready actually. And we have 14 participants. Vishal Soni bro, Devi Sharon, okay. And Muhammad Tahir, bro, please say hi. Tahir bro. Yeah. Prashant bro, please turn on your video.
So, sir, I am at terrace, so
Okay. You are permitted. Okay. Those who are literally having network issues, you can turn on. Yeah. Okay. No issue. Prashant. Mohsin, good evening. Mohsin.
Good evening, Anna. Good evening, all of you.
Yeah, Mohsin, network
First
permits.
of all, I would like to thank to Suleshna and Pradeep and you.
Mohsin, actually, your voice is not clarity and it is not good. Actually, you are not able to listen to it.
Actually, Anna, you also some network issue, Anna.
Okay. No issue. Aftam bro, I'm muting everyone here. I'm muting. Yeah. Okay. Pradeep bro and uh, yeah, Amit bro, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, I am ready.
Okay. Thank you. And actually, okay, I'm going to explain the session actually. What is going on this session now? Please, everybody, listen to me. Just a minute. Just I want to see who are attending the session. Yeah, I will take a photo and I'll post in our group. Already Pradeep bro did. Okay, I request everyone please turn on your videos. Yeah, good. Thank you. Yeah, good. Okay, so this is an interactive session. As I have discussed with you, we had a discussion. So we want to add some more stuff in our group. So that's the reason we have come up with a new concept. Okay, the concept is nothing but involvement. So we are asking you to involve in the session. Okay, and moreover, I request each and everyone, please place your mobile horizontal. Place your mobile horizontal, not vertical, horizontal. So whenever you place your mobile horizontally, so that the viewer can easily view, the viewer can easily see you. So that is what most important. Okay, the place your mobile horizontally and your audio should be muted and your video should be turned on. Okay, these are the rules, minimum basic rules. And whenever you get a turn to speak, you just unmute and speak, but after speaking just mute your audio. Okay, this is also minimum requirement in these type of Zoom sessions. Okay, everybody knows it. And moreover, this is an interactive session in the sense we involve in speaking and we share our thoughts. Okay, so here we need to respect the other person. So that is what, whenever the other person is speaking, we need to let him speak. We should not disturb him. After completion of his speech only, we have to ask him, otherwise we have to disturb him. Okay, this is one basic rule we need to follow. And moreover, we are thinking to have three types of activities in our session today. Okay, first activity.
Hello.
Yeah, Sumit Tiwari bro, and I request you please turn on your video if your network allows, and please listen to me. Okay, so we have three types of activities. First activity, first activity would be really interesting one. So I have a dice here. I have a dice here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maximum numbers are 6 here. So here you have to select one number. You have to select one number among these 6. Okay, I write down here who is taking which number. And later just I roll over. Okay, you can see here. This is my table. Just I roll over dice here. So here I got number 4. The person who is selected number 4, he has to unmute his audio. He has to unmute his audio. And Amit bro is going to take a slip. Already he has prepared slips, and the task is written in this. So what Amit bro does, just he picks. Already he has a list of cards there, and he picks one picture, one card, and he opens it. He opens and he places the particular card in front of camera. Okay, the activity which is there in that particular slip, so he has to speak on that. He has to do that particular activity. Okay, this is all about the first activity. Okay, and I'm going to repeat again. I have a dice. The dice has 6 numbers, maximum 6 dots. So everyone has to select one number. Any number you can select among 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I note down here. If you say number 4, if we have Pradeep bro, if Pradeep bro says number 4, I write here Pradeep number 4, Devi number 2, like. So whenever I roll the dice, now I got 3. The person who has selected number 3, he has to unmute. He has to unmute and he is ready. He is ready to do that particular activity. So, and Amit bro will pick one paper, one card here, and he opens and he shows that particular activity in front of camera. And Pradeep bro will read out actually. Okay, Pradeep bro will read out what are the activity in that. Okay, that activity that number 3 person has to do. Okay, this is all about game. And I have told you 2 times, no issue. If you have any doubts, you can ask. And moreover, one important thing is your video should be turned on, because speaking is nothing but only delivering our speech. Speaking is speaking is something that our body language, our facial expressions, our way of delivery, so everything matters. So that is what I'm asking you to turn on your videos. Okay, does anybody have doubt? Yeah, Amit bro, are you ready?
Yeah, but
No, sir.
I have one doubt. For example, see the on the dice we have only the 6 numbers, right? So the number would be a repetitive, right? Because for example, I can select the 1, so the other person can select the number 1. So it would not be an issue, okay?
Yeah. So in that cases, first we will call one person, and after his activity, we will call another person. Did you get my point, Amit bro?
Yes, yes, I got it. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I request each and everyone, please select one number, just write in chat box. Select any number among 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry, sorry, I'm interrupting. I'm joining
Wait,
too
wait.
late, so please repeat the rules.
Yeah, I'll do. First, please let me know your number. Please select any number among 6. From 1 to 6, you can select any
Okay.
number. I'll write down here. And Amit bro, 1. And anybody can help me. Amit bro or Pradeep bro, you can also write the names, please, if you have pen and paper. Prashant bro, 3. Mohsin 4. Yeah, Pavani 4. Aftab Alam bro 5. Vishal Soni 4. Vikas bro 5. Prashant already I have written. Pradeep bro also 3. And Ashu number 6. Ashu number 6. Ganesh is also 4. And Devi bro fix. Devi bro 6 is fixed. Very good. Pooja sister 6. Okay. So did I miss anyone? Rocky and Bala.
Sir, myself 5, sir. Bala.
5. Okay, Bala 5. Thank you, Bala. And Rocky. Rocky bro, did you select any number? Okay. And Rocky bro, please respond. Ganesh bro, already I have written, I think. Ganesh bro, number 4. Yeah, number 4, Ganesh bro, and Vishal bro also 4. Okay, just I'm going to repeat. Please, please listen to me once. Amit bro, 4 or 5? You have to select.
Yeah,
only-
my one.
Fourth. Amit Tiwari, fourth.
Okay, that Amit. Okay, fine. Sorry.
Okay, Mohammed Tahir ji, and you can also participate. Nothing will happen here. And if you are able to speak, you can speak. Otherwise, just you can pass that. Okay, no issue. And okay, let me read out the numbers. Amit bro number 1, Prashant bro number 3, Pradeep bro number 3, Mohsin, Pavani, Ganesh, Vishal. All these have selected number 4. And Aftabalam bro and Bala bro number 5, and also Vikas bro also number 5.
I think no one has taken number 2.
No issue. Nothing will happen. We want to involve them in speaking. Definitely they will speak. Okay. And Ashu bro number 6, Devi bro 6, and we have Pooja sister. She also selected 6 number. And I missed Rocky actually. Okay, no issue. And did anyone miss Rocky? Rocky, please unmute. And we have 2 Amits. One is Amit Kumar, one is Amit Raj.
Amit Raj is
Tiwari.
from Bhopal. Amit Raj is from Bhopal. Amit Tiwari is from UP, and one is Amit Kumar from Mumbai.
Amit bro, didn't you select number? Amit bro?
Actually, I have changed my number from 3 to 2 because no one has taken 2. That's why I have taken 2 now.
Okay, no issue. Amit bro, your number?
Yes, it is 1.
1, right. And we have Amit Tiwari bro. Amit Tiwari bro, your number is 5.
Fourth.
4. Okay, thank you. And okay, we have selected numbers. We have done with our members, right? So now the actual game is going to start. Okay, get ready. Partakers, please get ready. And here is my dice. And there is no conspiracy in this because I don't know what are the activities that have been written by Amit bro. Because just I have given task him and he has completed it, I know. But I don't know that what are the tasks have already been written. Just I am the person who is rolling the dice here. Okay, Amit bro is get ready with the activity list. Yeah? And okay, just you can see here, this is the dice. Just I am rolling it out. Yeah, number you can see here. This is number 3, right? Just number 3. Number 3, Prashant bro, number 3. Okay.
Dr. Dan.
Okay.
You
So
are
please bear with my handwriting. Okay.
okay, but Ashu bro, please mute Ashu bro, please. This is what I request you. And Prashant bro, please unmute. Are you able to listen to me? Prashant, do we have Prashant? Okay, I think I think he has left the meeting. Okay, no issue. Okay, if he comes again, we will give him chance. Okay, just I am rolling the dice again because we have missed our first participant Prashant. and just I'm rolling it out. Yeah, it's number 4. You know, many people have selected number 4. We have
Yes.
4 members. We have 4 members. One is Pavni, second one is Mohsin, and third one is Ganesh, and fourth one is Vishal. Okay, Pavni, are you ready?
Sir, give chance to another one. Next
No,
person.
ma'am. Actually, we want to start the game with you only because you are the female participant who have with us. So that's the reason we are asking you. And okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Okay, shall I reveal it then?
No, wait. Whenever she gets ready, then only we have to do that. So what are where are other 12 other tasks?
Actually,
Amit?
Suresh bhai, I have a suggestion. And suppose many people have taken 3 number and someone is not going to present, so you can pass that topic to another who have taken 3 number. Because
No.
I think
Everybody has to speak whatever the things they have to project. And because everybody has a great speaker in this group, you know.
no, actually, Suresh bhai, I am saying, suppose Asu bhai have taken 3 number, I have also taken 3 number. If Asu bhai is not going to speak, then just pass that topic to that member who have taken 3 also.
Yeah, and moreover, what I'm saying that if Amit bro takes one slip and Pavani has to speak. Again, after completion of Pavani's speech, Amit bro will take another slip
Okay.
and the most has to speak. Again, Amit bro takes another slip and Ganesh brother has to speak. Again, Amit bro takes another slip, then Vishal bro has to speak. So this is the rule. Amit bro, do you have all the task sheets?
Yes, I have.
Just okay, pick among one name. What I'm saying that
Yeah, already I picked one.
okay, we did not see that. How-
Okay, so no, as you told me that don't reveal until she is ready. So who is ready now?
No. What I'm saying that look at me. You have to hold task sheets like this. You have
Yes,
to.
yes.
So
Yes.
on this, you have to pick one.
Yeah, lot of. Yeah, see.
Yeah.
Okay, now. Okay, got it. Okay, wait. Now I'm picking one.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
clear. Okay, now
Thank you.
see. Now I have taken this one. I keep aside the other cheats.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now who is that? Shall I reveal it now?
Wait, bro. Pavani,
Sir.
are you ready, ma'am?
Yeah, okay, sir. Ready, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, for me, all the best. And
Thank-
please bear with my the handwriting. Okay.
Yeah. Pradeep bro, could you please read it out? Favorite.
Topic is favorite hero or movie.
Okay. And thank you, Amit bro and Pradeep bro. Pavani ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Pavani ma'am, your task is you have to speak for 2 minutes on your favorite movie or your favorite hero. So,
Choice.
yeah, ma'am.
Shall I speak on hero? Is my choice.
You can speak on any your favorite hero or any movie.
Okay.
And here I'm going to turn on stopwatch. You are allowed to speak for 2 minutes only.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. Have a great time. 1, 2, 3, start.
Hi, everyone. Good evening. I am Pavni from Telangana. Thank you, Pradeep sir. Thanks for giving this opportunity to me. Today, I want to speak about my favorite hero. My favorite hero name is Prabhas, Rebel Star Prabhas. From first movie, I don't know. His first movie was Ishwar. I like that movie very much. From that movie onwards, I became a very good fan to him, and I followed every his movies, and I like his movies and his action. I like very much. And Bahubali. There's 2 parts. First to second part, I watched that movie first day for sure because of this is my favorite hero, so I watched first day for sure. When I saw the hero on the screen, just I forgot everything. Just I start shouting, hey, like that, because of that much craze of Prabhas. And one more movie also there that I've been getting in this moment. So I like that movie very much. In that way of style, that walking style, I like very much. And I'm waiting for the another movie, but because of lockdown, when the movie released in this pandemic situation, also I forgot about all Corona. Just I want to see that movie because of my favorite hero. And last movie also I watched on first day. I asked my husband to took tickets for the first day, so he took tickets on first day. I watched that movie also first day first show in this. Oh, okay. And every movie I watched it. And Varsha movie, I want to explain about Varsha movie. When I was on that degree, I watched that movie nearly 4 times, and I bunked that my college, and I went and I saw that movie. Really, I enjoyed a movie a lot.
Thank you. Really great initiation. You know, she has really performed very well.
Amazing.
She didn't even take 2 or 3 seconds to start the topic. Really great spirit, ma'am. Really, you have started with very enthusiasm, and your favorite hero, Prabhas. It is clearly shown that how much you are praising him and you are loving him. Great, and thank you very much for your active participation. And okay, you can turn off your video, and whenever you turn again, you have to speak. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, great. Next, Amit bro, are you
Yes,
ready?
yes,
Yeah.
I am ready. Yeah.
Yeah. Next, Ganesh bro. Ganesh bro, please unmute. Ganesh. Amit bro. Amit bro, please mute yourselves. Oh, sorry. You are permitted. And Ganesh bro, are you ready to talk?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Very good. Amit bro, please open the slip
Yeah.
and place in front of camera. Okay. Speak about your hometown. Okay. Ganesh bro, did you?
Speak about your hometown. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir, I am audible.
yeah, you are audible. You are audible. Please start.
Actually, I am facing a little bit network issue here. It is my turn, sir. Hello.
Yeah, but you are allowed to speak for 1 minute about your hometown. Okay.
Okay.
Your time starts now.
Okay. Yes, I am Ganesh. Actually, my hometown is Aurangabad. Yes, it is very historical place. It is located in Maharashtra. It is famous for actually it is a very historical place. It has so many caves and culture of Maharashtra is very good. So I like this city and I am very fortunate to give the birth here. So and it is a historical place for Veru Acharya and so many it is also spiritually rich place. It is also politically very sensitive place. Okay.
Thank you very much. You didn't take even 2 or 3 seconds to start about your hometown. Really great and we are very fortunate to know about Aurangabad. Actually, I didn't know, and really you have come up with. Thank you, Ganesh bro. And I want to ask Vishal bro. Thank you, Ganesh bro. Vishal bro, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah. Amit bro, please take one slip.
Yes, taking.
Okay, Pradeep bro, please read it out.
Share happy incident of your life.
Okay. I think share happy incident of your life.
Okay. Vishal bro? Did you get the problem is you have to narrate your happiest incident in 1 minute. That is the problem here. Okay.
Yeah, it's quite difficult to choose one. What was the habit? So thank you guys, and very good evening to all of you. So there is a lot of happy incident happen in my life. So it's quite difficult to choose any of them. I want to tell about one incident with my friend. I mean, not he is, she is my best friend. And as a she is my, as a, you say, as I can say that he's the most loving person in my life. When I spend some time with her, so I found that that partner, that girl, it's so lovely, and sometimes, and I found that someone he actually she is actually is same as with me. I mean, same as it me because what I think it's quite difficult. I was very shy person. So, but now when I met with him, met with her, and I found very moment, very great moment, and I learned how to overcome more from your shyness and how to talk. You know, lot of things happen with.
Thank you, and you are not at all stopping because you are speaking about your lovable person. Really great, and okay, thank you, bro. Thank you, Vishal, bro. A great initiation you have taken, and within a short time you have started talking. Really great. And we have another person who has selected number 4. Thank you, Vishal, bro. And Mohsin, are you ready? Mohsin. Mohsin. Okay. I think.
Monsin bhai, please unmute your mic. Monsin bhai.
I think he must be having some network issue as it is a rural area. I know about that area. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And again, we have completed. Okay, last Amit Tiwari, bro. Amit Tiwari, bro. You have also selected number 4. You have also selected number 4. And I'm asking Amit, bro, please take one slip.
Yes. Taking.
Wow. What is? So tell me minimum 10 sentences using adjective. Okay. Amit, bro.
Sorry, please repeat it.
Tell us any 10 sentences using adjectives.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you speak? Okay. Describe a chicken biryani. Okay. Your time starts now for 1 minute.
Okay. First of all, good evening to everyone. And today I'm talking about the adjectives. So means Ram have a good boy. Mean adjective is good. I'm right?
Yeah. Please carry on. Right.
Okay. And the AB Centenary Public School having a good percentage in each and every year. It means adjective is good percentages. And third one is my college is best in Uttar Pradesh. So best is the adjective of the adjective. And the beauty of Taj Mahal. The beauty of Taj Mahal is wonderful. Means the beautifulness is the adjective of this Taj Mahal. And Delhi is Delhi is the best place in all over the India. So best place is the adjective of the sentence. And
Thank you.
the laptop have various
Yeah. Thank you. Great. Really, you have taken, you can take it properly, because many people, they do not understand what are the adjectives and how can we start speak. So really, you have taken great chance. Great. Thank you. Really, we are very blessed to have such a person like you. And okay, we have completed with the number 4. Just I am rolling the dice again. Guys, remaining persons, be ready. Wow, it's 2. It's 2. Who is 2 here? Oh, our legendary person.
Pradeep sir.
Yeah. Pradeep bro, get ready.
Yes, I am ready. Please give me some easy topic.
Yeah. Actually, he also doesn't know what is the
Yes, yes.
topic is taken actually. Yeah. Speak about your school.
Okay, actually,
Really. But
Amit
you
bhai,
have only 1 minute.
this is not easy topic to speak because I have done schooling in 1997. So my school name is Gyan Prakash Intermediate College, and I have done high school from there. Means I have completed 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th from there, and I have topped that school in 1997 when I passed my high school. And I love 2 or 3 teachers. They are very good because one teacher is Ram Prasad Yadav. He used to teach me physics, and he was so excellent teacher. And my school had very big ground also. We used to play cricket, volleyball, football sometimes. And I have one friend that time, Ajit Singh. Still, I'm missing him. Actually, I'm trying to contact him, but I am unable till now to contact. Actually, I don't know where he is, but I have enjoyed my schooling time very much with my friends and by playing cricket and by doing some very good activity also. So this is all about my school that is situated in Devania. That is, very famous district of UP. And
Yeah.
I think,
Thank
okay.
you. You have covered maximum sentences. Great. Really great.
Thank
So
you.
you have proved that you are a leader. You have proved that you are a leader. Thank you. Really great.
Actually, we
And
have
you are the
leader
only
only one, Asu Bhai and Suresh Bhai.
show, but I got number 6. Number 6 actually Ashu bro, Devi bro, and Pooja sister. So, but we will give chance to a female participant first. So I'll call Pooja sister. Sister, are you ready? Okay. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, ma'am. Are you ready, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Amit bro, please. Amit bro.
Speak about Zoom application.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
So now I'm gonna start. Hello?
Yeah, wait.
Yes, you can start.
Okay, you will be allowed to speak for 1 minute. Okay, and your time
Okay, sir.
starts now. Yeah, start. Please speak.
Okay, actually, sir, I don't know much about this application, but yeah, I wanna speak. This is a really good application where we are gonna connect, and now uh, we are here, and we can take benefit from this application. And I think there are more benefits of this application as far as I know. So yeah, because as per my concern, any application, we can get more benefit if we use in a correct way, as we are here, and we are getting a chance to speak here. So yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Though you are very new to the topic, but you have really spoken very well. Thank you. This is a
Thank
really
you, sir. Thank you.
thank you. And okay, Ashu bro, are you ready?
Yeah, sir, I'm ready.
The legend.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Don't call me legends.
Our
I'm
legend
so afraid.
speaker. We have 3 to 4 members. One is Amit Bhai, Suresh Bhai, Devi Bhai, and Asu Bhai.
Yeah,
These are legend of this
No,
book.
no, sir. It's just because of you, sir. We are nothing.
that's true. Amit bro, please proceed. Amit bro. Amit bro.
Oh my god. Sing a song or a poem.
Okay, actually,
Oh,
I am not able to see him actually. Okay, sing a song or poem. Okay, get ready, Ashubo. Really, you are the luckiest person who got the topic actually. Okay, and okay, you can take your own time.
actually,
Yeah,
no. Actually, sir, I don't know any poem, and don't wanna sing in Hindi. Actually, I really don't listen English song for that. So is there
please.
any other option like
Any
any
you
other
can
topic?
talk of any song, not English. You can talk. You can sing any song. Your wish.
Mhm.
At least sing Twinkle
I
Twinkle Little
don't
Star.
wanna.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mhm.
Allow me
Okay.
also this one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Actually, I really like Punjabi songs, so I would like to sing a Punjabi song.
Okay.
So the song is goes like this. करदा ए गुस्सा मेरी निक्की निक्की गल दा
No.
एदा नी ओ
We need,
सोहणिया
I guess, in
प्यार
English language.
चलदा.
Okay. Let him sing.
Sir, actually I don't.
No. You please.
Okay. करदा ए गुस्सा मेरी निक्की निक्की गल दा किदां नी ओ सोहणिया प्यार चलदा. कहना चाहवा दिल वाली मैं दी दिला च रह जावे हो नित दी नाराजगी तेरी ओ मेरी कड के न जान ले जावे हो नित दी नाराजगी तेरी ओ मेरी कड के न जान ले जावे. गल्ला गल्ला विच देवे दिल मेरा तोड़वे पासदा खुदा दा मैनू इना ना सतावे और उससे आना कर सोने कल्ले आना रोना पै जवे हो नित दी नाराजगी तेरी ओ मेरी कड के न जान ले जवे. Thank you, sir. Thank you a lot.
Really great. Thank you. Even we don't know the meaning, but really we enjoyed.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And we have Devi bro. Devi bro.
Yeah, bro.
Thank you. And Amit bro, please take one slip. Tell about. Okay. Tell us about TV.
For 2 minutes.
You have to speak on the topic TV.
TV, okay, yeah. Hi all. First of all, I appreciate all the members who have put a lot of effort behind this this event today. So I will let me jump directly into the topic to the television. TV means what? Television. So the evolution of TV. When we see that in the 80s or 90s, we have some different TV. I don't know what is that. It's not coming in my mind. So what is coming in on top of my mind? So I'm delivering that. So afterwards, it the evaluated like LED and LCD. Now most of the household they have LCD or LED screen, and it has become the compact day by day, and everyone is liking the slim TV. And without TV, we cannot even see that. And the most of the household have even one small TV, and they have many companies like from starting from China. And we proud about BPL company, which is the first company is started in India. It is and it is given all the roadmap to all other companies. So there are many TVs are available now with less price. So everybody can get entertainment over the TV, and the only place where all the family family members are together while watching TV. That's it.
Thank you, really, thank you. And it was written like 2 minutes, but I compressed it for 1 minute. So, yeah, and really, you know, you didn't even utter any unnecessary word about TV. Everyone was in a constructive way, and important points you have covered. I think Amit bro and you did some conspiracy over it. Amit bro, you
No.
are you friends?
Nothing.
No, I think this is not fair. I think this is not fair. Both are software engineers. They
No.
also devise against the topic. I hope.
Yeah, just kidding. And I know Devi bro can speak on any topic.
Yes,
Yes,
bro. That's why I have already said we have 4 legend. Ashu bhai, Devi bhai, Suresh bhai, one is Amit bhai. So they can speak on any topic, anytime, anywhere.
Thank you.
Also.
Thank you. Okay, and yeah. Actually, we have only left 3 people, and Aftawalam bro, Bala bro, and Vikas bro. Okay, because just even though I played it, I have to get number 5 because only 3 people left. Those who have selected number 5. So out of these 3, I'm calling first Bala bro. Bala bro, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Amit bro, please take one slip and read it out.
Yes. Okay,
Amit
Bala
bro, I am your friend. Take a very small subject.
Just very small. Just you'll have to crack one joke only. Okay.
Everyone must laugh on that joke. Okay. Joke should not be
Everyone
boring.
laugh.
Oh.
Yes. When I talk, everyone should laugh, sir.
No.
Yes,
On
that's
joke.
all my joke, sir. Sir, I don't know how to express joke. So I know only Tamil. Now I learn English. So I cannot express in English. So this, I can't say how.
Okay,
Amit bhai, just on my request, please change the topic for Bala bhai because Bala bhai really wants to speak. That's why I'm saying.
Okay.
Please change the topic for Bala bhai only.
Yeah.
Not for Aftab and not for anyone because Aftab is a very good speaker.
Yes.
So we have to speak on that topic.
Okay, so I have only the 2 sheets which are remaining. Okay, let me take. Okay, see Bala bhai, now you can talk about that.
Speak on
favorite food.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I am starting my task. I like. I take every day. Every day in my school period, I took 3 or 4, 5 brotas every day. So I like brota very much. Every night I take only 5 or 6 brota. When I go to hotel, every time, everywhere, anytime, I want to eat only brota because brota gives us a full stamina. Not now, my younger period, like I'm studying school levels. More people saying how these guys taking 6 or 7 brotas. That's that's all from my side, sir. That's all.
That's the reason you are strong. And even I don't eat, that's the reason I'm very fat and stout, Yes, okay. I'll try to eat at least that brotas.
Yes,
Thank you. Great.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And Aftawalam bro.
I think he is not present now.
Yeah, okay. And we have Vikas bro. Even
I
we
think
don't.
because it's, yes,
Okay.
because he's already left. So we
Okay.
have some new member as like Amit Bhai.
Yeah.
Amit Bhai from Bhopal. So we can assign topic to him. So he can speak also.
We have only one slip left, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Amit.
Amit Bhai, are you ready? Amit Bhai from Bhopal,
Yes, yes,
the politician.
Good.
Okay.
Can't
yes.
you turn on your video? Can't you turn on, please? If it is possible, please turn on so that. Yeah. Oh, Amit, bro, I know you. You are a great speaker. I know. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. After a long time seeing you, a large number of friends. So start what the topic.
Amit, bro, 10
Yes.
simple past sentences about what is such a quite easy topic, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
10
Okay.
simple past sentences.
Yeah. So I'm counting sentences. I'm counting.
Okay.
Your time starts now.
Okay. So simple past. I think.
Subject to be to object.
वो गया, वो खाया, वो पिया, वो नाचा,
Okay.
वो
Okay.
रोया.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's another topic. It's a very easy topic, no doubt.
Okay. And so I think we don't have left any topics, but
Earlier from the Balabhai, some another
okay,
topic.
okay. What I'm going to ask you, you are a prominent person to us. So, and give your feedback on this activity in 1 minute. How did you?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, please start.
Okay. By the way, on this meeting, actually, on the last one day, I'm saying that the Pradeep Bhai and the Suresh Bhai also motivating that must attend this meeting. After that, I am also totally late of 15 minutes. So from the starting, the Pradeep Bhai and they are what the Suresh Bhai have anchoring. It's a very nice way, and Pradeep Bhai and other bro, and some there. It's a very presentable and very static answer, and it's a very, you can say, learning great thing in my point of view. So that's it from my side. I just saw.
Yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Really great narration. So entire.
And by the way, okay. By the way, any the Balabhai, what the topic have changed? So can I?
Yeah, you can please.
What the topic? I'm not.
Amit Bhai,
remembering
you
what
can
the-
speak on your favorite topic for 1 minute. There is no any foundation. Whatever topic you
Okay.
choose, we are ready to listen you. So please try to speak on any topic for 1 minute.
Yes. Okay.
And you are much interested in politics, so you can speak on politics also. We have no
Politics,
problem.
I'm not.
Maybe on Narendra Modi or Rahul Gandhi. You can choose your leader.
Okay, in 1 minute, I just saw it. I think it's not we, you can say, as a leader, you can say Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi. As Narendra Modi, second time as a prime minister candidate, and they are very, you can say, good as a PM, as comparison, you can say, as but not compared to the earlier Pandit Nehru as a three-time prime minister, and you can say Indira Gandhi, Iron Lady of India. But Narendra Modi has very much cutting the 370 in the and free of union territory, they like Ladakh, and also in this year the Ram Mandir have founded a stone, and after that in few day news also the parliament have also started to set up. Beside this, the triple talaq have also have known implemented have ended, and beside this from starting the long queue of you can say demonetization after GST. So
Yeah.
various changing and continuous after that. So it's a totally continuous changing.
Sorry for interrupting you, and you
Okay,
have great propensity in speaking hours together, but we have very time limit. That's the reason I'm interrupting you. Sorry for that. Please.
Okay, not okay. Thank you, by the way, for giving
So
the
so
time
Amit
and-
Bhai and Suresh Bhai, now you can conclude all the activity because you have taken very good initiative to conduct such type of activity, and everyone just enjoy because you can see the laughing faces as like Asu Bhai is smiling, Amit Bhai is smiling, myself also I am smiling, Devi Bhai, everyone just is smiling due to this activity, and this is really great initiative. And I hope next time Asu Bhai is or Amit Bhai is going to take some different level of activity,
And
so we can enjoy.
Pradeep bro,
Yes.
Pradeep bro, if you permit, I have another activity also.
But it's depend upon all the guys. They are ready or not, because this is 1 hour. That's
Give me 10 minutes, only
okay,
10 minutes.
Okay. So there is no need of permission because you are host. I am not host.
Okay. Still I'm outside. I didn't go home, but no issue. I'm going to give the task. Okay. Here, I'm going to project one word which is not correctly spelled one. The letters are jumbled. You have to find it out a proper word from that. And only Amit Kumar bro, you should not please participate in the session. Okay, because I have told him, that is what I am asking him. Amit bro, please. Okay. And just I'm going.
Okay. How many words are there? How many words are there?
Only 10 words.
Only 10 words. So who have scored more numbers, that will get reward. Oh, he will get reward. I think Asu Bhai can get reward. Okay.
He will be the person of the day.
Okay. Yes.
He will be the person
No.
of the day.
Suresh Bhai, person of day is Devi Bhai and Pauni. Except that no one is. Okay. In second session, Asu Bhai can be asked someone else. But for first session, one is Devi Bhai, second is Pauni, because they have spoken very well on that particular topic. Because, so in my view, after that you can choose your roles. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Please mute yourself first. I'm going to share my screen. And whenever you find it a proper word, just unmute and speak. And you are allowed only for one time. Okay, so that think before speak. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to share my screen here. Yeah. Okay. Yes. This is a word. I think you are able to see this. Okay. Actually, just I want to put time also, 30 seconds.
Yes, I think this is educate.
Oh, great. Yes.
Educate, yes.
You can give marks to yourselves. Okay. Okay. The word is educate. Okay. Okay, shall I ask next word? Please get ready.
Yes.
Yeah. Please think over it.
Artification. Actually, I know the word, but I am unable to pronounce it.
Anyone?
Castrophobia? No.
Gentrification?
No. Just time is up. See this word.
Oh.
Actually, once Asu Bhai given the suggestion of this topic, Asu Bhai, I think you know this topic here.
Okay. Get ready with another word. Get ready. It is very much easy. You can easily answer it. Yeah, please.
Sir, Corona.
Yeah, Pani, very good. It is Corona. Very good, Corona. Thank you. Just in 5 seconds, you have revealed. Okay, and okay, Pavani and Pradeep bro, you both took proper answer. Next word, please get ready.
Temper.
No.
Computer.
Who did say that?
Asu has pronounced correct. This is computer.
Yeah. Yes, it is computer. Simple, you know. Everybody knows computer. Okay, get ready. Ashu, great. Congratulations. Okay, get ready with the next word. Yeah, please. We didn't listen to you.
Renitent.
No.
Internet.
Who did say that?
Yes,
Pooja?
Pawni. That is
Not-
correct.
Internet.
That is
Not
correct.
Pavani, I think it's Pooja.
Yeah, sir. I'm
Okay, Pooja. Okay.
Pooja, very good. Internet. Okay, everybody knows internet. But whenever the words are jumbled, sorry, letters are jumbled, we are not able to find it out. Okay, get ready with the next word. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Subject.
No, you are not allowed next time.
Okay, sir.
Only one attempt you have.
This is describe.
Oh, who did say that? I think it's Ashu, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Asu.
Great, Ashu, great. Okay, get ready with another word. Oh, about 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Yeah, actually, I'm the winner. Speaking, right? We are speaking, right?
Yeah.
Okay, get ready.
Uh,
Yeah, actually, okay, we have done with our activity. Okay, thank you.
So Asu bhai is topper with 2
Shubha,
points.
yeah, Shubha, great. And just if you allow me for 5 minutes, I will come up with another one. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are boss.
Okay. Okay. Take pen and paper, please. Take pen and paper. Pen and paper. And I will allow you 1 minute. I will allow you 1 minute. You have to draw a picture. You have to draw a picture. If you draw very good, if you draw very well, you will get points. You will get 5 points. Okay. You have to show that particular drawing towards camera. Okay. Your time starts. Wait. Your time starts now. Okay. You are allowed for only 1 minute. You have to draw a picture. Those who has already drawn, please raise your hand. Yeah. Okay, Pradeep bro, should not show. No, I will ask you. Yeah, okay. Ashok bro, very good. Pavani, very good. And we have only 10 seconds left. Okay, very good. Only 6 to 7 seconds left. Okay, 2 seconds. Yeah, time up. Stop drawing. And only very less people has drawn. People have drawn actually. Sorry. And Pavani, could you please show your picture? Ma'am, please. We are not able to. Fish? Is that fish?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay, very good, very good. Really good. You got 5 marks. You got 5 marks. Ashu bro? Ashu bro? Are you showing? Ashu bro, actually I'm not able to. Yeah. Ashu bro, please. What is that? It's a leaf, right? Yeah, you got 5 marks. Pradeep bro?
Yes, sir, it's a leaf.
Yeah. Pradeep bro? What is that? Okay, I think wow, what? Hey, oh, she's your girlfriend, I think. Okay, okay, okay. He got 5. And who has drawn? Amit bro, Devi bro. What?
Showing.
Yeah. Hey, Amit bro, great. You got 5 marks. Devi bro got 5 marks. Okay. Okay, everybody has done great job. Pooja ma'am, Pooja. Okay, Pooja. Did you draw?
Actually, no, sir, no.
Okay, no issue, no issue. And okay, very good. Vishal bro, did you? Yeah. Okay, no issue. Those who have drawn the picture will get 5 marks from my side, though it is good or bad. Okay.
But why, bro? I am drawing, but how can I see the picture? I can't recognize it.
Yeah, whatever the picture you can draw, just I'm asking you. But Amit Tiwari bro has really the picture is really shows good. And Pavani ma'am, yeah, ma'am, please ask your children to not speak for 1 minute at least. Please turn on your video.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Could you please show your picture, because we are going to decide whether you will get 5 marks or not. Your camera is no. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Really, it is great fish. And now you have to speak on that particular fish for 1 minute. Okay. Your time starts now.
This is cheating. This is cheating. Suresh bhai, this is cheating.
No, you have to speak on your girlfriend for 1 minute.
Yeah, that's why.
Pavani ma'am, please start. Your time started already.
Okay, sir.
Your camera is not working, yeah.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Please, ma'am, please.
I draw fish. Fish. Everyone likes fish curry. I prepare fish curry very tasty. And fish is an aquatic animal, and it lives in water. It cannot live. It cannot live in earth, and it has 2 eyes and gills and tail. Fish breathe. They can swim in the fish can swim in the water. It cannot. If it come out from the water, it cannot live. So everyone likes the fish curry. In Telangana, it is famous, and it is if we eat fish, we get A vitamin.
Thank you. Really great. I think you are also prepared to talk on any topic. Great. Thank you. I felt very happy with your presence, and thank you. And now, our legendary Pradeep sir is going to speak on that particular picture. Yes. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Pavani ma'am, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Actually, I have drawn the picture of head of a person, and that can be female or male. This is not picture of my girlfriend. My girlfriend used to be very beautiful. Okay, those pictures just I have drawn. So as we know, the head is a main place where we keep all the good things and bad things also. As we know, there is a pivot. Your empty mind is just like enemy of yours. So whatever we are doing, good or bad, we keep in our mind, and we try to do many things to keep our mind healthy, because healthy mind have healthy thinking. If you want to progress in your life, if you want to grow in your life, so firstly you have to make your mind healthy. Healthy means you have to keep all the positive thing, all the good things in your mind, so you can utilize your mind in a full manner. You can see there are many people, some people are very good, some people are very bad. Why? Bad person always keep bad things in their mind, and good people always think good things in their mind. That's why due to mind they are categorized in different part. Suppose just I'm taking example of myself. If I am thinking very good, that's my mind is good. If someone is thinking in a wrong way, suppose I have to kill them, I have to kill him, so means his or her mind is not good condition. So it's also depend. Also you can take example of some person who have a very good hair, so they can decorate their head with some good style, and they have not hair, so you can see. So thank you.
So actually, you have jumped into another place and you are just swimming in the topics. Actually, really great. Thank you. And okay, and I'm going to ask. Pooja did not draw. Did not draw actually. Devi bro, what did you draw?
Yeah, I draw one cartoon.
Yeah, cartoon.
Tom and Jerry. Yeah, I inspired by Tom and Jerry cartoon. So I draw.
Yeah, you are a great speaker, we know. And already, I think these two people have revealed the conspiracy from the topic. So, what I'm asking you, and just you should speak on not that particular topic. Ashu, please show your topic, your picture.
It is leaf.
Yeah. Okay, Devi bro, you should speak on leaf.
Yeah, thank you, Ashu, for the beautiful picture.
One thing, because whenever Pavani is speaking, whenever Pradeep bro is speaking, you are getting time to narrate some lines on that. That is the reason just I have changed the topic. So, okay. Thank you, Devi bro, please start.
Yeah. So thank you, Ashu, for the beautiful picture, and you drawn only one leaf. So I will narrate based on that. The leaf, it is definitely very important for any trees because that gives support to all the stem throughout the trees. So the leaf will give the fresh air to the people and surrounding. And the leaf, it is green leaf. It is good for health as well as there are many leaves is available. So we can create cooking, make cooking with the help of leaf. So there are many varieties of trees available in that. There are many different leaf are there, in coastal Karnataka, or that while we are eating with we are not using steel plate or something. Normally in special condition or occasional season, so we used to do banana leaves for eating on a special day. So that is one remembering.
Thank you. So I request each and everyone, please observe him. What a great personality we have.
No, bro.
No, because
no,
though he is having good communication skills, he has general knowledge also. Just that is a magic we can get from all these sessions. Okay, and okay, thank you. And some people are not getting to speak on, so not getting chance to speak actually. And just I'm going to take feedback on this session because we need to conclude the session because it is already 9:50. So Pavani ma'am, I think you are very new to this group, and I'm asking you, please introduce yourself and how did you feel, and do you want to add anything to this group? Like Pavani ma'am, are you able to listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Please ask your children, please not to speak for just 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Introduce yourself, and do you want to add anything to our group? Because I think you are with us for 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So how did you?
Okay, sir. I am Pavani. I'm from Telangana. I'm wife of Suresh Gaur, sir. Present, he is handling the session. Thank you, sir. Pradeep, sir.
This is actually conspiracy.
Suresh bhai,
This is conspiracy.
Again cheating, Suresh bhai. This is not fair, yaar.
This is
If you are
conspiracy.
doing cheating again, this is
No. Actually, she doesn't know about the session actually. So before starting the session only, I sent her link because she asked me, when will you come to home? So she asked me, when will you come to home? So I sent that link to her and I told her that I have a session. So if you are interested, you can also participate. I asked her. So she didn't know about the topics and game and everything. But as she's an eloquent speaker and she's very new to this group, and I want to introduce her to this group. And Paul, please carry on.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Today the session was very nice, and the games are very nice. They're very interesting. Actually, I don't know about the games. Really, I enjoyed a lot. Please conduct these sessions for a week or alternate days as the aspirants required. So that was my suggestion. Nothing else, sir. And first of all, I want to say thanks to Pradeep sir. Thanks for giving this opportunity to share my views in this session. And thank you, sir, Suresh sir. Thank you very much. Actually, I was surprised to you.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Really, we felt very happy with your presence. Because everybody, we are familiar, but you are one new personality we have. Thank you very much, ma'am. And okay. Yeah, bro.
And yes, and
Suresh bhai, just sure about your dinner. You are going to get dinner or not? Because you are spending so much time.
No.
here, that's
Usually
why.
I take this time. Yesterday also I was here. No.
No, but see, we are also delighted. We got one active the member also in this group. So welcome to Pavni ma'am in this group, and hope that you will be doing continue. We do send the audio clips also, and as you given that feedback, the feedback was so wonderful. So and I'm expecting that such a the sessions would be a continue. Okay, there will be no gap, and whoever you are interested to deliver on the particular session, so they are most welcome, because see, it was unknown. Even see, I knew the little about that what we are going to conduct over here, but the way Suresh handled it very much. It was totally the informative. It was interactive, and everyone got a time to deliver something. Expect me, because I was just handling, and I was just how the persons are delivering. So that's and suppose if you are getting the particular topic instantly, so you should have that potential to deliver anytime. Then only you will be considered as the orator or as a native speaker. Okay, and let me add you one thing. Suppose now we are aware of, okay, the topic is slightly different. Okay, because see, the English is not our mother tongue. Okay, so everyone say that the grammar is not important, but personally I feel that the grammar is important, because see, if it is your mother tongue, so you don't think, and so many times the information, whatever the information is already fed up in your mind. So whenever you want to deliver it, you don't need to recall it. So that's why if it is your native place, you don't need a grammar also. But if it is the English, so you should know a little bit about the grammar, because see, the base is the grammar of any the language also. So I will so the way he was asking about the past simple tenses something, right? So Amit got little bit confused what he has to what he had to deliver it. So just brush up your grammar also, and hope that we will be continue in such a session on the grammars and any other activities, so that everyone will get a good confidence. Confidence is very important in a life. Suppose if you want to achieve something, so main important confidence, gain your confidence, and we are like a family. Okay, here not see someone deliver too much, and it's not like that. Okay, we are just family, and hope that we will be continuing, and I'm very much appreciative, and the Suresh sir, thank you for taking such a the informative and interaction, and hope you will be doing continue. Thank you, thanks a lot.
Thank you very much for your brief explanation about today's session. Thank you. And if anybody wants to speak, you can speak about today's session.
Suresh bhai and Pradeep bhai, after many months, I had escaped from this group many months. but I'm finally back with the continuous marketing by Pradeep Bhai, because he's continuously posting some message. Don't miss today's opportunity. It is like a in roadside, they will in any drama is there in our city or village, they will post like, don't miss this, don't miss this, don't miss this, like that. So I was very I had other work also, but for this session, and I especially that Suresh Bhai is taking this session, maybe I felt that it was some interesting, but I never felt that this you came with one dice, right there only I felt it was some amazing session really, and it is something different what we do usually. So it is like kept us to waiting, what is that topic, what is that topic. And Amit Bhai given very nice topic. Usually he is front runner for speaking, but today I was observing him why he is keeping silent for a long, but finally delivered speech. So I was waiting there at one, why he is very silent. Yeah, thanks for everyone, and definitely I enjoyed a lot, and I'm definitely participate in this coming days. Definitely I'll be active, proactive in this group. Yeah.
Thank you, bro. And so we are going to introduce some more topics, some more methods actually, and we are going to introduce, even as Amit bro said, we are going to introduce grammar classes too, because many people, they do not aware of grammar. So just we are going to add them also. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Devi bro. And okay, if anybody wants to speak, you can please.
Yeah, definitely. The Suresh bro, and this is after the lockdown. The something is going to going on, and what you have to say is totally after 1 hour or from the starting of 3 months. There, some that time the 1 hour or the 2 hour there continuous any topic given and audio recording, that's very helpful. And in the freelancing speaking, and after that time the audio sending and from the starting in the YouTube lecture, and that's a continuous process, so that's the achievement. And by the way, from the only 5 days to go for this year, so definitely once after a long time of 1 or 2 months, and they are very nice session organized by their Suresh Pro, and also contribution by the Amish Samik Bro. So this is definitely, that's a nice thing. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, bro. And really, as Devi bro said, Amit bro has helped me a lot, because not at all possible for me, because I have taken his help, and really he has taken a great role. And in very less time, he has written all the topic lists, and he has ready with them. And really great, bro. Great. Thanks for your help. Okay. And okay. Yeah. And okay, Pradeep bro, do you want to speak?
No. Thank you. It was really nice session and nice activity, and especially dice and English words, that puzzle words. That was really best thing. And third one was surprising, you can say, because actually we are just drawing the figure and we have no idea if we have to also speak. If I know, okay, I have to speak, then I will make some easy things. So, but that was a really nice thing. Okay, it was really nice. And I am hoping from the Asu Bhai, he is going to take sessions like this. He can plan anything, because I have decided I am going to make admin to everyone. Whatever they want to do in the group, they can do. Because if they want to discuss on any topic, they can do. If they want to conduct any activity in the group, they can do. Because there is no one admin, everyone is admin, and who are serious. That's why we plan this activity. Also, I have mentioned some name, so I am going to keep those person in the group. Otherwise, other people can leave the group. I have no problem, because in the starting, I have clearly mentioned to everyone who are serious, I have to make 20 people group only, so we can discuss, we can improve, because we believe in quality, not quantity. So we have, as like Asu Bhai, Amit Bhai, Devi Bhai, Amir Bhai, we have, I think 20 people, so we can continue, so you can learn. And also on time to time basis, we are going to conduct activities like this, because this was really interesting activity. You know, this is 10 o'clock and we have started 8:30 p.m. So you can think how much we enjoyed this session. Now I think Asubhai want to say something. I think Asubhai, he want to say something.
Tahir bhai also wants to introduce himself. Ashu bro, and followed by Tahir bro. Ashu bro, please.
Okay, sir. First of all, thanks to Suresh God sir for, because I know they really have a good talent and they are like a very talented person, and they also have a huge grammatical knowledge. That's why. And after all, this session was very good, and I really enjoyed a lot. So this is all from this my side.
Thank you very much. And okay, Tahir bro, please introduce yourself. You have written in chat box.
Actually, I think Muhammad Tahir just live in Malaysia and he is unable to speak anything because I think time is 12:30 a.m. there. That's why.
Oh, actually, he has written on chat box that he wants to introduce. That's the reason I asked him.
Okay. Yes. I have seen now. Okay. Yes, Tahir, you can introduce now.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Muhammad Tahir, and my original country is Myanmar. Basically, I stay in Malaysia. I'm 17 years old, but I'm so interested in this live section. It is very, very helpful for me if I practice my English with you. Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Definitely everyone will help you because we are here to do something. Besides learning, we are doing some more activities, and many people will get benefited if we speak. That is what most important. And if you speak, if you use any new vocabulary phrases, the other person will learn. This is like a self-help group. We are here to help someone. We are here to getting help from someone. That is what my intention. And thank you very much for your positive comment.
Also, Suresh bhai, just I want to add one point here for Muhammad Tahir bhai only. Actually, every day at 9 p.m. we also conduct a Zoom session and we discuss on some topic. If you are interested, then you can join that session also. And that is fixed. Every day we used to conduct that. Okay, and also we send a link in the group. So if you are interested, then you can join. At least you can find two members, Amit bhai and myself. Otherwise, sometimes Asu bhai join, sometimes Suresh bhai join, and Devi bhai was permanent member, but I don't know why. I think his girlfriend is pressing on something like that because he also revealed some story about his girlfriend. That's why that can be problem.
Pradeep bhai, Devi bhai is maybe the upcoming movie of Prabhas have, and
today I am not about to discuss anything because this is 10 p.m. Tomorrow we can discuss.
Okay.
Thank you everyone for your love and support. Definitely having
Thank you.
sessions like this. Thank you everyone, those who have participated and made the session beautiful. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye.
Bye. Good night. Bye.